OpenAI has come up with a new model update and they are releasing a new model called as GPT 4.1. They have already launched GPT 4.0 and they also have launched GPT 4.5, but they have decided to name this model as GPT 4.1. And apart from that, we are also getting another two models like the sub models, which are GPT 4.1 mini and GPT 4.1 nano. So at total they are having three models, and these models are exceptionally good in coding as well as instruction following. And another great thing about this model is that they have 1 million context length. So usually Gemini models usually have this 1 million context length. This is the first time OpenAI's model has 1 million context length, which is amazing. And this model cannot be accessed in ChatGPT, as they have clearly mentioned GPT 4.1 is only available in API. So this is the graph which compares intelligence with latency. As you can see here, GPT 4.1 beats both GPT 4.0 and GPT 4.0 mini, and even GPT 4.0 mini is quite par with GPT 4.0. And in terms of SWE benchmark, which is the software engineering benchmark, GPT 4.1 is even better than OpenAI's O3 mini high model. And this is the example prompt that they gave, and they have given the responses both in GPT 4.0 as well as GPT 4.1. As you can see, we can see an amazing difference in GPT 4.1. The interface looks much more appealing with in-depth detail in it. So this is the graph that compares accuracy as well as the input token context length. As you can see here, all the previous other OpenAI's model has 128,000 context length, and only these three models have 1 million tokens as context length. And even in mathematical tasks, GPT 4.1 scores as high as GPT 4.5 as well as OpenAI's O1 high model. And this is the API pricing per million tokens. I guess they have given it very less for 4.1 mini as well as 4.1 nano. Just look at the input cost for mini and nano. It's just 40 cent, 10 cent input, and output is like $1.60 and 40 cents. That literally is so less. So now to access these models, you need to have OpenAI API credits. So if you want to know how to add that, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. So just Google OpenAI API and add those credits, like you need to pay and get it. After that, you need to just go to Playground, and here you can choose whatever the model you want. So if you click this, as you can see, we are having the latest models available, 4.1, 4.1 mini and nano, and just select it, and you can just give a prompt over here and start using it and testing it. So that's the video, guys. Do let me know in the comments what you think. Check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.